I don't usually make mouse reviews or product reviews video, but since most of the people did want me to record these videos and show these products out, I'm doing another one. I've already done an MZ1 mouse review, which wasn't really liked too much, with the audience, but I have an M42 review now, which I think will be much better and goes much more in depth with everything as well. If you don't already know, I'm a Twitch partner with over 25,000 followers streaming daily on Twitch. If you want to check me out, link down in the description below. Full disclosure, Xtrfy did send me this mouse for free, but they did not tell me to record this video or just say anything good about the mouse as well. So this is all my personal thought and what I think about the mouse, my honest feedback. Before this video even starts, I want to thank my sponsor, AkuShield. This video is sponsored by AkuShield, medically rated blue light blockers. They offer protection for smartphone, iPad, MacBook, monitors. They also provide glasses and bedside lamps. They're featured on Forbes, Tech Radar, Yahoo, etc. Does your head hurt when you browse the internet? Well, look no further. They offer protectors for most of the smartphones, iPads. They also have their monitor and laptop protectors. You can get really, really nice blue light glasses as well. You can choose different styles. You can choose different colors and the magnification if you have prescription as well. Every single order, £1 is donated to RNIB Sight Loss Charity. I have personally tested the bed lamp and the glasses as well. They are very nice. Lamp is very bright and it's wireless. It charges for a few hours and it lasts 20 hours. It's very good. They're very affordable, very nice. They offer worldwide shipping. If you want to check them out, link will be down in the description below. Let's get into the video now. M42, Xtrfy's second mouse of the Project 4 lineup of peripherals. They have this mouse in a lot of different colors: blue, black, white, and pink as well. They also have it in the retro edition, which is like old gaming console. It looks very nice. We got sent the white edition, so we're gonna do the review of the white mouse. In the packaging, you will receive the mouse itself with two keycaps, one saying Xtrfy and one saying GG. You will also receive another mouse back and obviously the manual with the Xtrfy sticker as well. In the manual, you'll be able to see how to change every single RGB and all the other settings on the mouse, because everything on the mouse is driverless. That's how Xtrfy usually rolls. They don't have any other programs they use, any drivers. So everything is stored on the mouse itself, which is perfect, because then you don't have to worry when you move it to another PC. Every single setting is saved on the device as well. The back of the mouse is pretty simple. You have two gliders on top and bottom. You also have the DPI switch and the polling rate on the bottom, going from 125, 500, and 1000 hertz. Xtrfy has one of the best RGBs in the products that I've ever tested. I've owned some Razer keyboards, some Logitech stuff in the past as well, but I've never seen better RGB in the product before. Maybe I'm a bit biased as well, but you can also see it for yourself. It has a lot of different modes, from waves, reactions, pulsings, every single thing as well. You can also turn it off, obviously. If you don't like RGB, you can do that as well. Xtrfy is going for the whole super light mouse, and it only weighs 59 grams, excluding the cable. It has the Pixar 3389 optical gaming sensor, adjustable RGB LED illumination, and the main switches are Omron 20M OF switches. The cable is pretty long, like every single Xtrfy mouse has it. It's 1.8 meters, which is super long, and you can plug it wherever you want, no issues at all. The DPI switch has a lot of levels, going from 400 to 16,000. So you will be able to find every single level you want, depending on the color code as well, which is on the manual. The glides that Xtrfy is using are PTFE glides. They're very smooth. I did not have any issue with the mouse pads. I own an Xtrfy mouse pad and I own other off-branded mouse pads. I did not have any issues with them, cloth or hard. It does glide smoothly without any issues. You can also get the sensor glide, which is in the accessories. You have to get that separately. The mouse is 118 millimeters tall, 57 millimeters wide in front, 56 millimeters in the middle, and then 63 in the back. It is 22 millimeters tall in front and 38 millimeters tall in the center, and it doesn't matter what backplate you use. Here's the sound test of the mouse clicks. The main feature of this mouse is the replaceable shell. It is perfect for different types of grips. If you use the smaller shell, you can achieve that fingertip grip. If you use the bumpier shell, you can get that claw grip. It is perfect. That's what I personally go for. I usually have the claw grip and I have zero issues with that mouse. The mouse is made for smaller hands. It does not have the ergonomical shape. It has the normal narrow shape. So it is perfect for smaller hands. If you have a bigger hand, it might not be for you. Just check it out with other people, see their hand sizes, see how they like it, and then you can try it yourself and see if that's the perfect mouse for you as well. There are no creaks in the center or any other sides of the mouse. If you try to push it more, there are no creaks like in the M4 mouse. There's just zero issues. The clicks are very tactile and good. They are very crispy. There are literally no issues with the clicks whatsoever. If you spam left click, if you spam right click, they're all very nice and they are very responsible. There's a little bit of post click, but not too much that you can really feel. The M42 cable is as thick as the M4 mouse. It's basically a cable inside a cable, so it does have some issues if you bend it a lot. There's a lot of people complaining about that. I myself did not have any issues, so try not to bend it if you don't have to really. Have it set up on a bungee. It's very recommendable, and then just have it going like that. The only cons about the mouse would be the cable. Everything else I feel like is a pro. Mouse is very light. It has very good clicking responsibility. It's very nice with two different shapes. You can choose whatever fits your hand grip, and whatever you prefer, you can do that as well. The price of the mouse is $59 for the black edition, $65 for the white, pink, and blue edition, and $69 for the retro edition, which is, as I said, the old kind of console look they're going for. It fits really good with the retro theme keyboard and everything else they offer as well for that. I hope this video is a bit more detailed and better than my previous MZ1 video. I know it wasn't as good as people expected it to be, so I hope this one is much better, and I hope you liked it. If you did like it, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the mouse, Xtrfy.com, in the description below, and if you want to check me out on Twitch, I will be live by the time the video goes live, and I do stream every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description below. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.